Hi guys, and welcome to my bathroom. Today I want to show you a DIY face mask with avocado and honey. Avocado and honey are both really great for your skin. Avocado has a lot of antioxidants and also vitamin E. It will make your skin smooth and hydrated. It can help with scarring and acne. Honey does the same thing. It's very hydrating, it's antiseptic, and it's also soothing for the skin. So let's get started. Alright, so now that we mix up all of the ingredients, we'll just apply it to the skin and see what it does. I'm using a brush because I don't like to get my fingers too dirty. I did a DIY face mask with matcha tea on my channel before. I will link it up below. That's a really great face mask as well. Apparently I love green face masks. Make sure you spread it everywhere. You know, you can get all of the benefits of this really great stuff everywhere. I promise it will make your skin look glowy. It's so good. And you know, it's organic with any chemicals inside, and you know, so that's really great. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of a series with like a face mask madness something. This smells really good. I'm sorry that I'm looking over here because there's my mirror. It just makes it a little bit easier. I just love avocado. Alrighty, and now we'll let it sit for 20 minutes and then we'll wash it off. So I'll be back in a second then. So it's been 20 minutes and I'm back. It's time to wash this off. I forgot to tell you before I put this on, I just hopped out of the shower. I didn't wear any makeup and my skin was clean and dry. So that's a must if you use any kind of face mask. Make sure you clean your face, you take off all your makeup, you pat it dry, and then you go in with the face mask, because otherwise it just won't work at all. All right, so it's time to wash this baby off. I'll be right back. All right, so I washed it all off. My skin feels very hydrated, actually very soft. I like the feeling it gave me. You know, this is a mask you can do as often as you like. You know, I mean, it is really good for your skin. It's better than any face mask you can buy, because it is organic and natural. Although I do like, you know, regular masks that you can buy as well. I do test out a lot of masks, and I think I will be testing out more masks with you very soon. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe. You can also find me on Instagram with the same name, Steffi.larose. Yeah, I do a lot of reviews on my Instagram, actually, on products I've used up and I love to use, you know, my day-to-day life. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and hit that button, and, you know, see you in my next video. Bye!